Hey guys, this is Hania Ray and you are watching my plant channel. Today I want to show you a baggie of Philodendron Hope seeds that have been in here for a month. I have just now noticed that there's only one germinating out of maybe 10 seeds that have been in here. So I need to get him out of here and put him on a small little cup, put him in a small little cup of sphagnum moss and hope that he likes it in there. Here is my tiny little cup because I don't have that many philodendron seeds that have germinated, and I'm just gonna put in my peat moss. It's not peat moss, it's sphagnum moss. Peat's just so much easier to say because it's shorter. I'm not super worried about sterilization, a little bit. Just some distilled water. I'm going to pour that on top of here. Make sure this is nice and moist so that I can just put little seedlings on top of it. And then I have like a whole tray of other seedlings. I'm just going to pour out the extra water on top of this tray. That is my kitten in the background, if you can hear her. These guys will be videos soon enough. We've got a bunch of Codex plants that I am going to show what I'm doing here. Neat. Okay, so we have our moist sphagnum moss. And I am going to open this bag and show you this germinated philodendron seed. 1 second. Great, so can you guys see that? That is one exact seed that's germinated, and we are going to see if he'll come right off of that paper towel just easily enough. Yep, his roots have not grabbed in there crazily so, and I just put him right on top. I am gonna look and see if there's any other seedlings in here, but I haven't. It might just be him. And there you have it, a month's worth of waiting for a single germinated philodendron seed. The hope is that maybe some more of these guys will, if I put them on a seed mat underneath the grow light. Maybe they just needed some more light, I'm not quite sure. We will give them a couple more weeks and see how they do. All right, so we're about a week after I put the Philodendron selloum seeds into sphagnum moss. You can see we have the first germinator starting to put out some leaves, and the second germinator, who I was not expecting to actually germinate, is also coming out with some leaves. I can't say whether the baggy method first helped the second germinator get to this point, or if moving them to sphagnum moss was a better idea, and that's helping the seeds come out of their shell, so to speak. So there you have it. It is a little tricky to get philodendron seeds to germinate regardless of where you plant them. It seems like my rate for the baggy to sphagnum moss was a little higher than just putting them in sphagnum moss, but maybe I will do another experiment just to see. Great. If you found this video helpful, let me know. Please like and subscribe. And any questions, put them in the comments for me and I will make sure to respond to them. Thanks.